I wanna see you, oh I wanna see you. I really just wanna see you, oh Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue, neon lights and city hues, mountains and buildings all around, just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows, in this city life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you Chongqing. Oh, show me Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue, neon lights and city hues, mountains and buildings all around, just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me.
Really, really, really cool.
Show me.
So actually this has a balcony. And this room was actually a pretty good price. It's only like $60. 60 American dollars, which is oh, there's a cable car right there, I can see it. So you can see the cable car going up and down right from this balcony window. It goes across the river. And there's a bridge over there. And you can sit out on this balcony of this room. Very, very, very cool. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you the other balcony that's the community one for this hotel room. And in case you're curious, I guess the hotel room is here. But it's also on booking.com. And the bathroom, it's all computerized. So he was showing that to me earlier about how you have to flush it with this. Okay. So let's show you more. Oh, they got floodlights right there too. Yeah, this is only 60 American dollars. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna show you the other part too. Chongqing, what a city. What a city. So, okay, so this particular one, I'm gonna be showing you the map so you can see exactly where this hotel is at. And this hotel was amazing because I had such a great view. And Chongqing has a lot of great views and a lot of great, it's just such a wonderful city all the way around. So I also created some music for this. So I'll put the music up here now. So, and I had AI to help me with it a little bit. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just kind of tell you what I'm doing. So I have, maybe this is video number 22 of Chongqing. You'll see the number anyways. 39 total. So that means I still have another 17 more to upload. So like and subscribe. And if you're in Chongqing for whatever reason, send me a message, let me know, because I'm definitely gonna go back to Chongqing. Love that city. So let's go through and we're gonna do the walk and talk where I kind of show you the view and talk about this hotel room. All right, Chongqing, China. Okay, room where I'm gonna be spending tonight at. Put on these shoes, grab that card, and then we're gonna show you the balcony as well. I'll also show you what's outside. So let's go on out. And right there is the balcony. Very cool. Yeah, that probably lights up at nighttime too. And then there's the bridge. So my hotel room is like right there on the right. There's an old phone booth.
antique one. And then when it's raining, you can actually sit outside. What a great entrance exit too. So I think this will look really amazing at nighttime when it's all lit up. Yeah, what a great place. Yeah, and actually my room has a balcony, so it's $60, but there's other ones that are in the same place that are a lot less than $60. Man, you just got like, you see half the city, and you see Raffles as well. It's amazing. Okay, so we're gonna go on inside, and then I'll take you down the elevator and show you from the outside. So this is the entrance from the 30th floor. This one goes up to a rooftop, so whoever has that, wow. It's actually like a little, anyways, I'm kind of exploring a little bit, as I often do in the channel. So we're gonna go down to the elevator. You have to go down one floor because we're up on the, basically on the rooftop. Except there's one more on the rooftop. Then we just go down and we take these elevators. So we're up on the 30th floor. And then we're gonna be down there. Pretty cool. Amazing, actually. So here's the name of the hotel. So once you come out the elevator, which I'm still waiting for, by the way, you just have to go up these stairs to the 31st. All these. So let's head on up. So basically to head out, looks like it's kind of raining, but you kind of come out, and then this is assigned to the hotel room, 30th floor. And then we're gonna head on out. And we're kind of in this lobby right here. Let me see it. So it says like Wall Street Scene. And then I guess the hotel room is up at the top. And it's not too unusual in China. I've had that experience in another hotel in Chongqing as well. You got all these beautiful rooftops, so they'll turn it into hotels and guests can enjoy all of that as well. So in this one you have a courtyard and then you have a gate right here. And once you're out the gate, you're right into the street of all the cool, interesting stuff in Chongqing. So we're gonna walk straight out here as well and show you a little bit of the street and try to also just give a reference of where we are exactly. But I think straight ahead is where the cable cars go in and out of. I think right there. And then there's that kind of interesting building as well. So yeah, that's actually this hotel. Let me just walk a little bit this way. And I'll just kind of try to give an idea of what's all around here again. So if someone was to try to find it, I guess that landmark right there, this red building would be across the street. And then this is called Gulo School of Chongqing. And I think that's actually the cable cars as well. And then this is Junqi Plaza. And then our hotel room is way up there. But yeah, it's pretty nice city. Especially if you like views and rooftops. So we're gonna come around like that. And so basically this is the Junqi Plaza, and then you go through there, and then you go into the courtyard. And then you go all the way up to the top there, and then you have those amazing views. Way up there. Okay. So that's a little bit of a slice. And I'm just gonna come around real quick. Fly over Chongqing, so That is the cable car. Directly up there. So where the cable car entrance is basically where the hotel is at. And we're back. Now we're gonna see this views at nighttime. Whoa! Amazing. The rooftop is gonna be, can't even imagine. Man. Okay, so we're gonna go up there and show you. So we're gonna come up and look at the rooftop.
咱们在左边就挨着解放碑、洪崖洞来辐射和朝天门码头。Hello。
Hello.
Hello。
Streaming? Streaming?
Sorry, I
Oh.
I 那个张成伟。
Oh, it's okay.
他不会说中文，张成伟。
Oh, it's okay.
Sorry,
No,
I
it's
don't
okay.
speak English.
Oh, no problem.
那个你得我喊我老公上来等一下直播间的家人们，因为我们这里住的有外国友人，我是不会英语哈。你好，咱们的新思文化哈，对，咱们住的有外国友人。
Amazing. Look at all these views up here. I thought she was streaming, so I was just asking her. But she's just, I think she's just talking to her friends or something. Anyways, we got a beautiful bridge over there. I'm also gonna go down and see what it looks like from my room, because I haven't seen it at nighttime yet. So it's just kind of amazing.
来，大家有什么问题可以继续打在公屏上哈，直播间的家人们忽略掉我的英语哈，请忽略掉我的英语，因为我们住的有外国友人哈。
Amazing.
咱们这里是一家比较有特色的露台江景酒店，咱们家酒店呢步行5分钟可以到解放碑，
Very cool.
步行7分钟可以到洪崖洞。
Okay, so I'm gonna go back in. Then we're gonna see what it looks like from.
大家如果今天是有打算来今晚的话，你们都可以把几号来几个。
Let's see what it looks like from the room, because I want to see what that looks like
没
too.
有出去玩忙会赢是吧？忙好呀，忙说明有钱赚，对不对？啊，忙的话比较好，
Amazing.
不能一直玩呐，是吧？咱们还是要赚钱。有钱了，等我们年龄老了，不用工作了，不用赚钱了，随时可以出去玩。现在年轻的时候就是要奋斗。
Let's see what this looks like from here. Lights are on. That's just amazing. Absolutely amazing. So actually I have another view from here, because I can see quite a bit on that side, right? I can see quite a bit on this side. So I got my own little private viewing area. Actually that was over there. That's just incredible. Anyways. Amazing. Chongqing. I know I should be on that balcony, sitting right there, or just down the steps out on that bigger balcony, enjoying it there. But this bed is pretty nice. Chongqing, you're a very cool city.
Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing.